Hi children, good afternoon everybody. I welcome all of you for our GK class. Okay, then all of you know me? I am Rita Miss. Okay, I am taking your GK. What is GK or general knowledge? Means not only from our text, we get more information from out of our books or from other materials, or collect information from other sources. It will help us in many ways for competitive exams or for quiz competitions, etc. So, not only from this GK text, you have to collect more information from newspaper or from any other source. I am not mentioning what is the source. So you can collect the information from any other source, and you have to write 5 question answers in a week in your GK book. Okay, in the back side of your book, you have to write 5 question answers in a week, and you have to write the date of the respective day. Okay, then when reopening the school, that time I will check this notebook and I will give marks to you. And come to the text. I think all of you got the text, isn't it? Yes. Then here the first lesson is explaining about saris from India. Okay, here different types of silk saris are given, and in which state these saris are made. That is explaining here. Here our duty is to find out the state which is making these types of saris. Means we have to find the answer and write. Okay. So all of you look into the text. Here, saris from India. Sari is the most worn dress by Indian women. Different weaves and materials add to the variety. Against each variety of sari, name the states it is associated with. Okay, here different silk saris are given in the left side, and in the right side of that given the state that have to be filled by us. Okay, the first is Kota. In which state this sari is making? Do you know? Yes, that is from Rajasthan. Then another one, that is the second one, is Tussar silk. Tussar silk from Bihar. Then the third is Banarasi, that is from Uttar Pradesh. The fourth is Kanjivaram, that is from Tamil Nadu. Then Ikat from Odisha. Then Pochampally from Telangana. And what is the next? Chanderi silk. Chanderi silk from Madhya Pradesh. Then Muga silk. That saree is made from or made in Assam. Okay. Then Kasavu saree. Kasavu saree in Kerala and Paithani, that is Maharashtra. Okay, these are the different types of sarees and the states. So, you have to note down the name of each state. Means which saree is making in which state. Okay, that you have to note down from this class and write this in your notebook in the front page. Means leave the first page, then take the second page of the notebook, and in that book you write the lesson name, then the left side you write the name of saree, and in the right side means you draw a column there and write the state name also. Okay, don't forget to write the general knowledge from newspaper or from any other source. Okay, let us meet in next class. Thank you.